So today we're going to be doing a pet simulator 2 script, so let's just get into it. Alright, script just came in. So for some reason it takes away your textures. So takes away your texture for some reason. I don't know why. It's got some basic stuff. It's got farm coins, farm fantasy coins. Let's try and open a hay or something. I don't understand. Okay, so FPS boost is on, that's why textures are retarded. Don't want your FPS you don't want your graphics to look dumb and turn off FPS boost. Let's see, block speed. Alright, well obviously that works. Anti-purpose prime. I was using the script earlier, that's why that was a new one. Custom chat, icon color. People keep sending me dread, so a neat thing you can do is you can redeem all the codes and you'll get a whole bunch of money. So yeah, it's basically just a script. You can auto coin boost, whatever. You can farm coins. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the script. I'll see you guys later.